Hello, my name is Shelby Miller and I'm a nurse practitioner from Lehi, Utah. I own Ruma Medical Aesthetics and I am so excited to personally invite you to an online master's course that I'm doing hosted by American Med Spa Association. It's taking place on Monday, September 21st, virtually at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. So during this special 2-hour online course, I'll be training attendees on how to safely and effectively inject the tear trough region. We'll be reviewing anatomy, the changes that happen in the periorbital region, gel selection, patient selection, depth, all the things that you need to know to create a beautiful, natural under-eye result. This course is going to be offered at a very reduced rate for AmSpa members, but it is open and available to everyone. It will not be available after for purchase, but it will be available for 2 weeks following the live session for those who purchase the course. For more information, go to americanmedspa.org/tear trough masterclass, and I hope to see you there.